Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get exchange rewards Saliba in EA Sports FC Mobile, the TOTY player 90 OVR center back. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange. So this is the exchange, the heroes exchange. There are some updates in this day. So one of the update is this. He is Saliba. You can tap for the details. William Saliba from France, play for Arsenal in Premier League. Let's see the trade. Only have a 3 trade. But the very useful trait, this is power header. Player is known to hit the ball powerful when heading at the goal. He is very useful in a center back positions with work attacking, defend and work attacking medium. He is part of team of the year nominee player. Let's get back. So you have to fulfill this condition to exchange William Saliba. The first is 75 OVR, 11 player. Let's see if I do have, and then 85 plus 5 player, and 3 player of Premier League, and 2 player of French League, and the last one 87 plus 1 player. So if you already fulfill this condition, if you have fulfilled the condition, you can exchange with 500,000 FIFA coins. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click the button below. Enjoy the game.